Kuongerereka kwa mitino ya kumomoka kwa nyumba bururi-ini ni undu ucungiririe thirikari gutacukia ikinya ria gutigirira mitaratara na mawatho ma waki ni mararumirirwo. Ihinda-ini ria miaka 33 andu 253 ni makuite kurumirira mitino ya kumomoka kwa nyumba, magana ma angi magitigwo na nguraro na wonje.
In the last 3 years, ACA has been able to seize counterfeit building materials worth 40 million shillings, and this consists of taps, showers, electrical cables.
Thiini wa gikaro na nyititemi sekta-ini ino, mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugitiri wa thiini ni rahinyiririe bata wa mitaratara ya waki kurumirirwo na kinyi, akiuga Kenya ni igathikite mawatho maria mabatie kurumirirwo gukinyaniria ikiro cia miako.
If it is registration of buildings, if it is registration of professionals, or even if it's a question of having regular inspections of what is going on, we need to understand as a country why this is important, so that it becomes a voluntary thing. It doesn't become an avenue for corruption or an avenue for people wanting to cut corners.
Let's stop this thing called corruption in the sector. And once corruption has permeated professional field, it is a disaster, because you are the ones who are the true north in your environment.
Ihinda-ini riu akiuria muingi kuhura riboti cia miako o yothe iratwarithio na mbere hatari guthingatithio kwa mawatho maya, kuona ni ugwati kuri muingi.
We are ready to continue supporting the State Department for Public Works to ensure that every single building that comes up is registered, and even the ones that already exist, we are able to provide real-time updates so that we intervene before things get out of hand.
Hadini Hakameme TV, Jitagogena, Wadurwa.
Has enacted